And we did have a question.
I don't know what it is because I wasn't told, but I do remember that we had a question.
Yeah, let's get to the hot seat question.
Let's do it quickly.
Because I was about to close it out.
I know. I don't know
right.
how I remembered, but yep, I know.
Random question is, why when us wives start deep cleaning, we get mad at everyone in the house? I assume this is a female because it said, why when us wives start deep cleaning, we get mad at everyone in the house. So I'm going to say that is a question for you to answer and for you alone.
I cannot speak for all wives. I can, however, speak for myself. I
don't get mad because I am very clean.
Right. So I I don't get as mad as I used to because now I take a position of management and watch the cleaning, and it will continue until I am satisfied. When it was not possible for that to happen because the kids were too young and did not understand.
And I was lazy.
That too. I would get mad because I was not the person who created the mess. Because I do pick up after myself. Because I would do the cleaning. So it did not make sense to me that on top of picking up after myself and then doing the cleaning and all the other things we are meant to do or have been assigned to do, that I have to sit here taking extra time out of my day, which is already busy, which especially at that time would be compounded with other things that other people wanted to put on my plate because they needed that to be done. I did not understand why it was me. Not us, not we, but me. Because I did not do this. It did not make sense. I know how to take care of my cast iron skillet and pans and pots. So why am I the one who has to now clean it the right way? Get all the grime, grit, crust, I don't even know what it is, off so that I can re-season it, which is a process for those who have cast iron and take care of it. I don't understand why I have to do that because I didn't make this mess. And I have showed the person who did how to clean the cast iron skillet.
Thank you guys for joining the Hot Seat Podcast. You got the pre-outro before this. We're just going to say ta-ta. See you later. Bye-bye.